Last year, I bought a gorgeous designer couch. Within a week, my golden retriever's claws shredded the delicate cushions, and a muddy paw incident left permanent, ugly stains. Finding a stylish leather couch that survives hyperactive dogs without looking like a chew toy is a nightmare of misleading durability claims. Most rip, scratch, or trap odors instantly. You don't have to waste your money like I did. I've personally tested the top leather sofas to find the ultimate pet-friendly centerpiece. Here are the 5 best leather couches for dog owners, and number 1 is practically indestructible. 5. Rivet Revolve Modern Sofa Couch, 80-inch W, caramel leather. When I first unboxed and assembled this 80-inch sofa in my testing space, I was immediately drawn to its sleek, mid-century modern aesthetic. The caramel leather looks fantastic under natural living room lighting, and the tall, tapered wooden legs give it a very airy, elevated presence. It is a highly attractive piece of furniture that looks far more expensive than its price tag suggests, instantly upgrading the visual appeal of the room. During the initial days of testing, I found the seating to be reasonably comfortable for humans. The cushions have a firm but supportive foam core, and the overall seat height makes it very easy for medium and large dogs to hop up and join you for a movie night. The 80-inch width provides ample space for a couple of adults and a dog to stretch out without feeling overly cramped, and the squared-off armrests are wide enough to rest a phone or a remote control. However, after letting my dogs treat this couch as their daily lounging spot, the severe drawbacks of its leather quality became glaringly apparent. While it is marketed as real leather, the material used on the Rivet Revolve is incredibly thin and heavily processed. The moment my golden retriever jumped up in excitement, his dull nails left immediate, permanent gouges right across the center seat cushion. Unlike higher quality leathers that develop a charming patina, this leather simply peels and looks heavily damaged when scratched. Furthermore, the structural design of the cushions proved to be a massive headache for a dog owner. For Coaster Home, Furnishings Victoria Classic Rolled Arm Sofa. If you love that traditional, aristocratic library aesthetic, this couch absolutely nails the visual presentation. It features a beautiful tritone leather finish, deeply rolled arms, and an intricate button-tufted backrest that screams classic luxury. When I first set this up, the sheer weight and solid wood frame construction gave me immediate confidence that it could easily support the weight of multiple heavy dogs without any structural groaning or wobbling. Sitting on the Victoria sofa is a very firm, upright experience. The seat cushions are highly resilient, which is actually a massive benefit for older dogs who might struggle to find their footing on softer, sinking couches. My senior rescue dog had an incredibly easy time getting up and down from this sofa. The tritone leather also has a very glossy, treated finish that makes wiping away fresh drool or a spilled water bowl incredibly easy with just a dry paper towel. But the stark reality of living with this couch as a dog owner quickly catches up with you. That gorgeous button-tufted backrest is an absolute disaster waiting to happen. To a bored or anxious dog, those buttons look exactly like perfectly sized chew toys sewn into the furniture. Within a week of testing, one of my dogs had already attempted to bite and pull the tufting threads loose. Moreover, those deep crevices around the buttons act like magnetic black holes for dog hair, dander, and outdoor dirt, making it nearly impossible to vacuum completely clean. Additionally, that glossy tritone finish that makes wiping up spills so easy is also incredibly slick. 3. Serta Palisades 78-inch track arm sofa, durable bonded leather sofa. This is where we start seeing a massive leap in everyday practicality for dog owners. When I got this sofa into the testing room, I was initially skeptical of the bonded leather material, but I was quickly proven wrong. The assembly was completely tool-free and remarkably simple, and the deep chestnut color provides a warm, inviting anchor for any living room setup. The track arm design of the Serta Palisades is a brilliant space-saving feature. By eliminating bulky rolled arms, Serta maximizes the actual seating real estate. My dogs absolutely love the extra room to stretch entirely out on their sides. The cushions utilize Serta's signature foam technology, offering a plush, deeply comfortable sink-in feeling that totally relieves pressure points. It became the immediate favorite napping spot for both the humans and the canines in my household. What truly shocked me during testing was how well this specific bonded leather held up to daily dog abuse. Unlike the thin leather of the Rivet sofa, the Serta's upholstery is surprisingly thick and highly resistant to punctures. My dogs dug at the cushions to make their nests, and the material completely shrugged it off without a single tear. It is exceptionally durable, and because the surface is smooth and uniform, wiping away muddy paw prints with a damp cloth takes only seconds. The Serta Palisades completely eliminates the frustrating maintenance issues found in our previous models. The cushions fit snugly together, preventing dog hair from packing into deep crevices, and there are no decorative buttons to tempt a chewing puppy. 2. West Elm Hamilton Leather Sofa. If you want uncompromising premium quality, this couch is an absolute revelation. From the moment the white glove delivery team set it up, the room was filled with that rich, intoxicating scent of genuine, high-end leather. The Hamilton features a stunning 1950s-inspired silhouette, and it is upholstered in top-grain aniline leather. The build quality is simply exceptional, featuring a heavy-duty kiln-dried wood frame that refuses to budge even when a large dog takes a flying leap onto it. The real magic of the Hamilton sofa for dog owners lies in its aniline leather finish. Unlike cheaper leathers that look ruined when scratched, aniline leather is designed to develop a rich, natural patina over time. When my dog's claws left surface marks on the cushions, I didn't panic. Instead, I simply rubbed the scratch with my thumb, and the natural oils in the leather absorbed the mark, turning it into a beautiful, distressed characteristic of the sofa. It doesn't look damaged. It just looks authentically lived in and vintage. The comfort level is entirely off the charts. The seat cushions are wrapped in a thick layer of down blend, providing a cloud-like softness that gently cradles your body. My dogs were completely obsessed with sinking into the plush back cushions. Despite the softness, the underlying high-resiliency foam core ensures that the couch never loses its structural shape. You get the perfect balance of a deeply cozy lounge sofa without the sloppy, sagging appearance that usually plagues down-filled furniture over time. Every single touchpoint on the West Elm Hamilton feels deliberate and luxurious. 1. Poly and Bark Napa Leather Sofa. If you want the absolute pinnacle of durability, comfort, and breathtaking style in a dog-friendly household, your search ends here. The Napa is upholstered in pure, full-grain pure aniline Italian tanned leather. The cognac color is incredibly rich and vibrant, immediately becoming the focal point of my home. The moment I sat on it, I could feel the immense thickness and quality of the hide, which is the secret weapon against dog damage. Sitting on the Poly and Bark Napa feels entirely different from the rest of the market. Because they use the thickest, highest quality layer of the hide, it is virtually impervious to dog claws. My golden retriever literally dug into the seat cushion trying to bury a toy, and the leather didn't even flinch. Like the West Elm, it develops a gorgeous patina, but the Napa's leather is significantly more robust and rugged. It effortlessly repels spills, drool, and mud. A quick wipe with a microfiber cloth leaves it looking completely flawless and brand new. The engineering inside the couch is just as impressive as the exterior. Poly and Bark utilizes a solid kiln-dried wood frame supported by a Pirelli webbing suspension system. The cushions are a masterpiece of comfort, featuring high-density foam topped with a generous layer of duck feather and down. It provides incredible back support without sacrificing that luxurious, sink-in coziness. It is incredibly spacious, allowing me, my partner, and two large dogs to comfortably pile onto it for a movie marathon without anyone feeling pushed to the edge. Everything about the Napa sofa screams uncompromising quality. From a meticulous stitching that holds the massive leather panels together, to the sturdy mahogany legs that provide absolute stability.